Hi, I'm Linda from English Learning Mind Map. Today, we will learn about empirical research methodology. Empirical research methodology. To postulate hypotheses and substantiate findings through empirical research methodology, we must follow a strict process. Basically, we are making sure our new ideas are backed up by real evidence. Quantitative analysis. As a core pillar of empirical research methodology, quantitative analysis allows us to aggregate data and correlate variables. In simple terms, we are using numbers and math to see how different things are connected. Statistical significance. Statistical significance is a specialized branch of quantitative analysis used to validate results and eliminate coincidence. This means we use math to prove that a result wasn't just a lucky guess. Probability sampling. Within the scope of statistical significance, we use probability sampling to ensure randomness and generalize findings. To put it simply, we pick people for our study like a lottery, so the results represent the whole country. Computational modeling. Computational modeling serves as a practical application of quantitative analysis to simulate scenarios and process big data. Essentially, we build a computer world to see how a virus or a market might change over time. Predictive algorithms. Under the umbrella of computational modeling, predictive algorithms help to forecast trends and identify patterns. In short, we use smart software to guess what will happen next based on what happened before. Qualitative inquiry. Qualitative inquiry is an essential component of empirical research methodology designed to interpret nuance and contextualize behavior. Simply put, we are talking to people to understand the why behind their actions. Ethnographic observation. Ethnographic observation is a functional layer of qualitative inquiry that helps to witness interactions and document culture. This means watching how people behave in their real lives instead of in a lab. Participant immersion. To enhance ethnographic observation, we practice participant immersion to gain rapport and uncover subtext. At its core, the researcher joins the group they are studying to see what life is really like for them. Phenomenological interviewing. Phenomenological interviewing is a vital aspect of qualitative inquiry used to elicit stories and explore perspectives. Basically, we sit down with someone and ask them to tell us about their deepest experiences. Narrative coding. Under the umbrella of phenomenological interviewing, narrative coding helps to categorize themes and extract meaning. In short, we read through the stories people told us to find the most important points they made. Ethical oversight. Ethical oversight is a critical requirement for empirical research methodology to protect subjects and maintain integrity. Effectively, we are making sure that our experiments don't hurt people or lie to them. Informed consent. Informed consent is a strategic part of ethical oversight used to ensure autonomy and authorize participation. This means giving the people in our study a form that explains exactly what we are going to do. Transparent disclosure. A specific tool within informed consent is transparent disclosure, which works to reveal risks and explain goals. To put it simply, we tell the participants the truth so they can decide if they really want to help us. Institutional review. Institutional review is a vital element of ethical oversight used to scrutinize protocols and uphold ethics. Basically, a board of smart people must say yes to our plan before we can start our research. Bias mitigation. Within institutional review, bias mitigation helps to neutralize prejudice and ensure objectivity. In other words, we have outsiders check our work to make sure our own feelings didn't change the results. Dissemination strategy. Dissemination strategy is the final branch of empirical research methodology intended to circulate knowledge and advance fields. Effectively, we are sharing what we learned so other people can use our discoveries. Peer review. Peer review is a key part of dissemination strategy used to verify logic and certify quality. In simple terms, other experts read our paper to make sure we didn't make any silly mistakes. Rigorous evaluation. To strengthen peer review, we undergo rigorous evaluation to challenge flaws and confirm accuracy. At its core, this is a tough checkup where other scientists try to find holes in our arguments. Open access publishing. Open access publishing is a vital aspect of dissemination strategy used to democratize data and remove barriers. Basically, we are making our research free for everyone in the world to read on the internet. Digital archiving. Under open access publishing, digital archiving helps to preserve records and enable retrieval for years to come. In short, we put our results in a digital vault so future students can always find them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English lessons.